Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, chicken salad. Very simple. What we could do is get some chicken, some mayo, mix it and call it a day. Pretty bland. We've just added a few extra little bits in there. We've got some almonds in there, a little bit of apricot, a few spices, lemon, the mayonnaise, and we've now got a really transformed, beautiful chicken salad. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we're going to need. Okay, let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to be using for this wonderful salad. Chicken. Now, if you wanted, you could use a roasted whole chicken. What I've got here today is 2 large breasts of chicken with no skin and no bone, and what I've done is I've boiled that just with a little bit of salt, cooled it down and then chopped it into cubes. But like I said, you could be using a whole roast chicken. Green onions, celery, flaked almonds. I've got here some apricots, dried apricots, a little bit of, this is optional, chili flakes, lemon juice, parsley and mayonnaise. I've got like 2 heaped tablespoons of mayonnaise there to go with that. A little bit of salt and pepper, that's about it. So we're going to take our mayonnaise here, like I say, 2 heaped tablespoons. I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. You could try lime juice as well. A little bit of black pepper in there, touch of salt, and then optional, let's get these chili flakes in there. Simply, we're going to give that a little whisk. So there we go, we've got a mixing bowl here, our chicken's in there. Let's add those flaked almonds. I'll give it a nice crunch. The celery, which I like in there, and the green onions. Now if you wanted, you could be putting some bell peppers in here or something like that. Then we've got a little bit of dried apricot, which I've just cut nice and small. Now if you wanted, think about putting some chopped apple in here, pineapple, bit of mango, something nice and sweet. So we've got the chili, give it a little spice. The apricot's going to give it a nice little sweetness. We're now going to add to that our chopped parsley, and again, think about some other fresh herb, fresh basil, mint would be fantastic in this. And then we're going to go with our mayo with the lemon and the chili in. And that goes. Now I don't like my salad swimming in mayonnaise, so there's not a lot there. Add more if you wanted. I'm going to give this a mix. See you in a second.